Yeah, hi. How does hash map work internally in Java? Okay, there are four things we should know about before going into the internal of how does hash map works in Java. Okay, first hash map dot entry interface, hash code method, and equals method. The hash map works on the principle of hashing. Okay, map dot entry interface. This interface gives a map entry, key and value pair. Okay, hash map in Java stores both key and value objects in bucket as an object of entry class, which implements this nested interface map.entry, that is map.entry interface. And third one, hash code method. Maps hash map provides put method, key and value for storing, and get key method for retrieving values from hash map. When put method is used to store key value pair, hash map implementation calls hash code on key object to calculate a hash table. Sorry, hash that is used to find a bucket when entry object will be stored. When get method is used to retrieve value, again a key object is used to calculate a hash, which is used then find a bucket where the particular key is stored. That is the hash code method. And equals method is used to compare objects for equality. In case of hash map, key object is used for comparison. Also using equals method, map knows how to handle hashing collision. Hash collision means more than one key having the same hash value, thus assigned to the same bucket. Okay, in that case objects are stored in linked list, where hash code method helps in finding the buckets where that key stored. Equals method helps that finding that right key, as there may be a more than one key and value pair in single bucket. Bucket terms used where actually an index of array. That array is calculated by table in hash map implementation. Thus table 0 is referred to as a bucket 0, table 1 is referred to as a bucket 1. But the performance of was in this case hash code method used is not proper on there are lots of hash collisions. As we know now that in case of hash collision, entry objects are stored as a node in linked list, and equals method used to compare the keys. That comparison to find the correct key within linked list, linear operation. So in worst case scenario, in complexity becomes big O notation. Okay, to address this issue in Java 8, hash element is used balanced tree instead of linked list after certain threshold is reached, which means hash map starts with the storing entry objects in linked list, but after the number of items hash becomes larger than certain threshold. So the hash will be changed from using linked list to a balanced tree. This will improve the worst case performance from big O notation and to big O notation log n. Thank you.